So I'm going to teach you how to graph a line when it's in slope-intercept form. I think you guys probably remember when there was a sub and she taught you y equals mx plus b. So if you can find the m and the b in the equation they're giving you. So this particular equation is y equals negative 2x minus 4. So the m is the number before x. So that's the negative 2. And the b is what's added on the end. Now, this particular equation, the b is negative. So it's really, really important that you check that sign before the number at the end. So if it's negative or minus, you have to have b as a negative 4. So what b means is the y-intercept. So you want to graph b first. So we're just going to put right here, this is super important, graph, whoops, that should be a G, graph b first. Okay, next week I think I'm getting a pen that can write better. Okay, so we're going to go and graph the y-intercept, negative 4. So we come to this y, see that little y right there, go all the way down, put a point. Now notice I just keep my finger or my little crosshairs right there. The slope is negative 2, which means if we write that as a fraction, negative 2 is negative 2 over, you know what, people like to do over negative 1. So it's 2 over negative 1. I think I've seen a lot of kids, they like to go up 2 and to the left when it's negative. So we're going to go up 2 and to the left 1 and place another point, and it's graphed. So always graph the b first and then do the slope. So let's do another equation. So I'm going to, we're going to do it this way again. And then I'm going to show you a different way you can graph it in case graphing it this way is just a little too confusing, okay? So in our example, we have y equals 3x minus 8. I'm hoping that that negative sign right there is like that you're aware of it. So the slope is going to be a positive 3 and the y-intercept is a negative 8. Now I'm going to write the slope as a fraction so you can do rise over run. So it's 3 over 1. So we start by graphing b. Super important. So we're going to go down to negative 8. Our slope is rise 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. Notice that after you graph the y-intercept, you have to keep that little plus sign there and then do the slope right from that point in order to get it. Okay, I'm going to show you a different way to do this in case it is, in case that was just a little hard to understand. That's okay. All right, so we can draw a table of values. So we're going to put, if we're going to choose an x, and then we have y, which is negative x minus 2. So whatever x we put in, let's try 0. We're going to do negative 0 minus 2, which is just 0 minus 2, or negative 2. When x is 1, we'll have negative 1 minus 2, which is negative 3. Because this is a line, all you have to do is graph these 2 points, 0, negative 2, and 1, negative 3. So we grab our line, we go 0, negative 2, and then 1, negative 3. And there's our line. So we'll do another one like that. I just want to make sure that you're feeling comfortable with both ways or whatever way is best for you. So we're going to have our x and our y equals negative 5 times x plus 4. So whatever x you put in, let's try 0. You plug it in for the x for y. So negative 5 times 0 plus 4. So that's 0 plus 4 or 4. What if x is 1? We could have negative 5 times 1 is negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. So we're going to graph 0, 4, And then we're going to graph 1, -1. So we grab our line, we'll go 0, -4, and then we'll graph 1, -1. There you go. So that is the end of the lesson. And I hope that this, oh, wait, whoa. What did I do? What did I do? All right, let's see here. I did 0. Oh, I did 0 of -4 instead of 0, 4. Okay, wait. So let's just, oh, wait, I'm annotating. Let me just X this out. Okay, so we have to do 0, 4, 0 all the way up to 4. That makes sense. And then 1, -1. Okay, so recheck that. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's the end of that lesson, and good luck getting that done. Hopefully it's understandable. If not, let me know.